Popcorn, one of the simplest snacks ever, but also a tiny science experiment in your microwave. Have you ever wondered why popcorn actually pops? Let's break it down. Set up the question. Every kernel looks ordinary on the outside, but inside it's a pressure cooker waiting to explode. Today, we're going inside the science of popcorn. And trust me, you'll never see movie snacks the same way again. The science behind it. Structure of a kernel, hard outer shell, pericarp, soft starch inside. Moisture locked inside, approximately 14%. Heat plus pressure buildup. Shell cracks at approximately 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Starch gelatinizes and expands, becomes fluffy popcorn. Why some kernels don't pop? Not enough water inside. Cracked shells leak steam. These are called old maids in popcorn science. Fun facts: myth-busting popcorn is the only grain that pops. World's oldest popcorn equals 5,000 years old. Archaeologists found it. Popcorn is actually one of the healthiest snacks when not drenched in butter. Tech plus future angle, eatnology twist. Popcorn isn't just fun. Food scientists study popping for biomaterials and snack engineering. Companies experiment with microwave tech and pressure science for better pops. Future? Smart microwaves that adjust for maximum pop efficiency. So next time you grab a handful of popcorn, remember, you're eating the result of heat, water, and a perfect little explosion of science. If you loved this breakdown, hit subscribe and join the Eatnology Lab, where food meets future.